So I figured I would come on here and just talk, and eventually I will just figure out what I'm gonna do with his nails go. I've been uke playing, so you can't play the ukulele with nails. I don't know what I want to do. Help. So I'm trying to contemplate on how hard it's going to be to make all of this hair blonde. Decision. I was even thinking about like just trying to make it brown, and if it didn't cover brown, that I was going to just shave it all off. And I asked my husband, I was in the tub for like the longest time, I asked my husband, what would you think if I had to do that? And he was like, well, we'll figure it out when we get there, but I don't know. So let's just see what my little brain comes up with. God, guys, I'm nervous. I'm gonna go brown. I'm gonna do it brown. And I do have everything I think I need to go brown. So, bye blonde. Let's just pray. Either this is gonna be a fail, or it's going to be a fail or an achievement of some sort. So what I'm using is Mystic Divine Luminous Permanent Liquid Cream Hair Color in, hold on. Wait, I thought that was a gold. A 5 neutral gold. To put the pigment back in my hair, the gold pigment, I don't have any red. So, hoping that the gold will do its job. I should probably go get some gloves. I don't know, guys. I don't know if I should do this, but I'm gonna do it. I'm doing it. Let's just go. All right. I'm fast forwarding. You don't need to hear me talk. I already told you I'm using a 20 volume because I don't have 5 or 10, but I'm using 20 volume, and I'm going to dilute it with some water, and I'm going to need this whole entire thing because I have a lot of blonde hair. A 5 NG, and I'm going. It's out. It's going. Here we go. This is going to be fun. And fast forward. Let's make sure that every piece is completely saturated. By the way, guys, this is just what I'm doing. I'm not telling you to do it. I'm just doing it. So if you choose to do it, don't say I told you to do it. You know me, I'm trial and error. If it doesn't come out good, I'll be shaving it off. blonde for a whole year. I've always wanted to be blonde too, and I did. After I do this, put this in, I have to wait 20 minutes, wash it out, dry it, and then put the brown on. And hopefully it will come out nice. Is it turning? I don't know. What I don't want is that mousy brown. I don't want that. So I might have to color it again after I do this. I found a brush, by the way. It is turning. Hubby's gonna be like, whoa, who's that? It's just me. He likes brown hair anyway. Okay. Now, just keep it here. It's cold. If anybody knows about hair, it will stop processing if it's cold. So we have to put a cap on it. Alright guys, so now we wait. Guys, so you're gonna think it's done, but it's not, because all I did was put the pigment back into my hair. So the minute I like wash my hair, it's going to pull right out, basically, because it's just like a cover to the blonde. So I have to do another color and with a higher volume. So I'm about to take the towel off. I need it dry. I cold washed it so that the color sets in. And I'm really cold because it's really cold out. Look, I got goose pimples. I got goose pimples, guys. Alright, this is stay camera, stay. Alright, this is what it looks like right now. I really want to get the dryer out because I'm cold, man. So here is the reveal of what the color looks like. Okay, so you can kind of see that it's a caca color. It's a caca color. I don't like it. I don't like. No. I'm gonna color it over. Well, what do you think so far? So, I don't know if you could tell. See that like mousy colorish? We don't like that. We don't want that. No. That'll be a bad hair job. So let's just hope and pray that the other brown covers it over. Okay, let's go. My best friend just called and interrupted the video, but for great purposes. So far, so good. I did not ruin my pants yet. And let's go, guys. Bye-bye, gray. Bye-bye, bitch. We got to cap that junk. Cap it. Careful. I can't tell. Anyway, 20 minutes and I'll be back. Finished product. It'll be all dry or whatever it is. Hopefully before my husband gets home. It's 12:45. It's not going to happen, but I'll put a towel on my head. He's home, but all he saw was me washing it out. So for all he knows, I just did my roots, so he has no idea of it. But he's gonna come in here and I'm gonna get the look on his face while I'm drying it. So that's what we're gonna do. I was gonna come, but I was gonna come back when it was all done, but I figured let me get the reaction.
You're the sunshine that I need in the morning. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're the sunshine that I need when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? To you. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. Baby, if you are a movie, then you're the best part. Where you gonna follow, no matter
All right, guys. What do you think? What do you think? Honestly, comment below. This or this? This is gonna be my thumbnail. Major transformation.
Woo, girl. Woo, girl. Look at you. Look at you. Just a whole new woman. Whole new, brand new woman. Your husband don't recognize you. Don't recognize the change, but
You're a whole new woman. Until the next video, guys. I have to clean. I've been doing this all day. But I will definitely, catch you on the flip side. So, until the next video. I see you later.
I have to eat. I didn't even eat breakfast yet. It's like 2 o'clock. You know what I'm eating. Oatmeal. All right. Okay. Gotta go. Enough talking.
Catch you on the flip side.